There's this doctor whose name is Dr. Edward Bach. Now, he found out that certain mists on the flowers had a particular frequency which were different from the other waters. And this mist had a particular energy healing capacity. And he identified that there are 38 different mists which we can use on the flowers, and they are called as Bach flower remedies. So I designed this beautiful course called 38 Bach flower remedies, wherein you will learn the introduction of Bach flower remedies, how to give the medicines, how is the dosage, how it is different from homeopathy, what are the various 38 remedies. So you can see the list: agrimony, aspen, beech, century, and so many more. So depending on what kind of personality a person has, like if a person says I have certain fears and I'm aware of it, like I'm scared of darkness, I'm scared of water, I'm scared of this, I'm scared of that, then you can give a Bach flower remedy to give and remove the problem or fear associated to a known problem. And now there are certain people who say, I don't know why I'm scared, but I feel scared. So then there's a different Bach flower remedy. Some people have OCD. There's a Bach flower remedy. Some people are very hardworking and even they give up on their own, life to help another person. That's not a good nature. But if you identify that there's someone like that, you can give them a Bach flower remedy. Similarly, you have to identify what kind of natures a person has, emotion a person has, and then accordingly which Bach flower remedy is for that particular emotion, and you will be able to help a person just by giving few remedies which are just drops, liquids, which you will be giving in a small bottle, few drops in the morning, few drops in the afternoon, few drops in the evening. So how many drops, how many times, how many days is what you will be learning with which Bach flower remedy in this beautiful course called as 38 Bach flower remedies.